When working with 3D Base, Elevation to Render, or Sketch to Render, you'll find the reference image option within the Style section. Start by uploading your base input image. Select the appropriate visual type, then switch Add Reference from Skip Reference. Upload a reference image from your history or directly from your device. The reference image acts as a visual benchmark. It defines the target style, ambience, lighting mood, and overall aesthetic you want to achieve in the final output. Next, enter a clear base prompt describing the exact finish you want to transfer onto your raw input. Choose your preferred resolution and click Generate. The system intelligently applies the color palette, lighting characteristics, and overall visual tone from the reference image to the final render. This is how you effectively use the reference image feature in the Style section to achieve consistent, high-quality results.